Hello, this is Microsoft Word, and we're going to be talking about using illustrations and graphics for Lesson 8. These are the objectives for Lesson 8. Your skill is to learn how to insert and format pictures in a document using the Smart Art graphic, applying picture effects, artistic effects, wrapping text, removing backgrounds, and learning how to insert a screenshot or screen clipping. The next skill is inserting and formatting shapes or word art in Smart Art. Just the overview. The Insert tab, as you see below, contains features that you can use to add graphics or charts that illustrate or compare data to your document. Commands in the Illustrations group enable you to add several types of graphics to enhance your Word documents, including pictures from your computer, images from the internet, shapes, Smart Art, charts, and screenshots. And so this is the Insert tab, and these are your groups. Pages, tables we've already used. Illustrations group is what we'll be focusing on for Lesson 8. The Picture Tools Format tab will appear once you've added a picture. It is called a Contextual Command tab. Formatting options on the Picture Tools Format tab enable you to make changes to the graphic object, including removing its background, applying corrections to improve the brightness, sharpness, and contrast of the picture, applying color, adding artistic effects, adding borders, enhancing the image with picture effects, cropping, resizing, and positioning the picture in your document. Word offers a number of tools to help you capture your reader's attention with illustrations that include pictures, shapes, Smart Art, charts, and screenshots. You can modify those images in a number of ways, including converting them to Smart Art, adding captions, resizing, cropping what you don't need, rotating, applying styles and colors, creating artistic effects, positioning images within the document. The types of charts that are available in Microsoft Word includes the bar chart, pie chart, line chart, and your column chart. And this symbol just represents a link to a video that you should be able to watch once you use the actual PowerPoint. Inserting pictures. When you insert a picture into a document, Word marks it as an embedded object by default, which means it becomes part of the document and is no longer connected to the original image. Inserting a picture is very similar to opening a document file. You use the Pictures button on the Insert tab in the Illustrations group to open images instead of opening the Backstage. Word enables you to also capture images of all or part of the current screen display and insert them directly into your document. When you click the Screenshot button in the Illustrations group on the Insert tab, a menu appears containing thumbnails of the computer's currently open windows. For example, if Jordan wanted to email a view of the entire program window to the technology department of the error message that he received when logging onto his computer, he could use that screenshot command. Selecting a thumbnail inserts an image of that window, or you can select screen clipping, which enables you to draw a box and capture an image of its content. The Picture Tools Format tab appears whenever you insert a picture into a document or select an existing picture within the document. This tab provides many options that we've already mentioned before, such as cropping, resizing, scaling, and rotating the selected images. So here you're going to get the definitions for those terms. Well, when you crop a picture, you're just trimming some of the unwanted areas that you don't want. So whether it's the horizontal or the vertical edges, you can trim it out. Scale. That means to increase or decrease the original picture's height or width by a percentage. And the corner of the small white circle surrounding a graphic allows a user to proportionally resize the graphic. That's another video for you to watch. Applying a picture style. Applying a picture style to a picture enables you to select from various framing and presentation designs to give the picture an added appeal. The available options in the Picture Styles group enable you to select from among the Quick Styles, Picture Border, and Picture Effects options, which can add interest to your picture. Captions consist of few descriptive words and are typically used for figures, tables, and equations. Adding a caption to a picture provides readers with descriptive text or information regarding the image. Formatting a picture using the picture layout options enables you to use one of the built-in SmartArt graphics with a caption placeholder. So you learn here what captions are and the purpose of a caption, and then the picture layout would allow you to add other things to it. And we know what a placeholder is, just a place for you to enter SmartArt graphics and type text. SmartArt graphics have pre-formatted designs with placeholders that enable you to enter caption text. And here you can see some of the examples of SmartArt. And again, another video for you to view SmartArt graphics. Adjusting a picture's brightness, contrast, and color, and adding artistic effects. Word 2016 offers many ways for you to adjust pictures using the Picture Tools Format tab. You can correct a picture's brightness, contrast, and color, and you can add an artistic effect. The artistic effects feature can give the picture the appearance of a drawing, sketch, or painting, such as what you see on some of the filters for your Snapchats and phones. Removing a picture background. Word 2016 provides the ability to select the parts of an image you want to emphasize and delete the rest. Unlike cropping, which uses straight lines to cut off the top, bottom, and/or sides of an image, removing the background enables you to select any part of an image, whatever the shape, and delete the unnecessary material around it. You can do this to emphasize a specific part of an image or to paste it on a different background. You can also arrange text around a picture. Arranging pictures and text together on the page is simple, using Word's positioning and text wrap commands. The positioning command automatically positions the object in the location you select on the page. The wrap text command determines the way text wraps or moves around the selected picture or other objects on the page. To configure the picture as an inline object that moves along with the text that surrounds it, select the Inline with Text option. If you choose to format the picture as a floating object, Word positions the image precisely on the page and allows the text to wrap around it in one of several available formats. Inserting and formatting shapes, Word Art, and SmartArt. Word provides illustrations to enhance your document with different preset shapes, SmartArt, and WordArt. Shapes are figures such as lines, rectangles, block arrows, equation shapes, flowcharts, stars, banners, and callouts. You can also insert a drawing canvas that serves as a guide. The drawing tools make it possible for you to change the shape, add text, apply styles, fill with theme or standard colors, create gradients which transitions from one color to another, add textures, and apply preset effects. That's the drawing tools. SmartArt graphics are graphical illustrations available from a list of various categories, including list diagrams, process diagrams, cycle diagrams, hierarchy diagrams, relationship, matrix, and pyramid diagrams. For example, you can use a SmartArt for a quick and easy visual representation of a family tree. Drop cap. That is a capital letter that is the first letter in a paragraph that is set in a larger font size than the rest of the characters in the paragraph. It's often used in newspaper or magazine articles. The SmartArt tools enable you to manipulate the SmartArt by adding shapes, bullets, and text, changing the layout and colors, applying special effects using styles. WordArt is a feature that creates decorative effects with text. The drawing tools enable you to format the WordArt by adding special effects to the text or outline. Effects is the name of the group that allows you to use shadows, reflections, glow, soft edges, bevel, and 3D rotation. Applying preset text effects such as shadowed, rotated, stretched, and wavy. And then you can also transform the shape using one of the set styles under drawing tools. Software orientation. When you click the Shapes button in the Illustrations group of the Insert tab, the Shapes menu appears, and here's the menu. You have lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flowchart, callouts, and more. After you insert a shape into a Word document, the Drawing Tools Format tab appears. You use these tools to format a shape's style, feel, color, outline, and many other attributes. When shapes overlap, you can control which ones are placed in front of or behind others. When you group objects together, it makes it easy to format them and move them around in a document. So over here is where you'll see that's the grouping icon here. Word provides pre-drawn shapes for you to choose, such as the one that just showed on the menu just then. Lines, rectangles, arrows, equation shapes, callouts, stars, banners, and more. Inserting a shape in the document again will open the Drawing Tools Format tab. You can use these tools to apply shape styles, a shadow, or 3D effect. You can arrange the shape on the page and size it just like you would do a picture. After you insert the shape, you can also use the Shape Fill option to fill the shape with a picture or logo, or you can also use a gradient, a texture, or just a normal color. SmartArt graphics are visual representations of information that can help communicate your message or ideas more effectively. SmartArt graphics and designer quality illustrations can contribute to eye-catching documents that draw the attention of the target audience. So that is the end of Lesson 8, Illustrations. Thank you.